Greetings and welcome to another tech tip with me, Ronnie Williams, your friendly neighborhood Greenbush tech integrator. And today's tech tip is a keyboard shortcut called Magic Paste. And let me tell you, it is magical. So I've brought up an article, and it just so happens that the Chiefs had a pretty big win this last weekend. Surprise, surprise. And what Magic Paste does is it allows you to copy text and paste it into the format that matches the document that you've already created. So we are going to copy and paste this short little paragraph from this article where it's talking about Patrick Mahomes' greatness, and we have just copied it by using the keyboard shortcut Command-C, or if you're on Windows it would be Control-C. And now we're in a Google document that I've created, and we want to paste this into this section right here just to kind of pretend like we're replacing that text. So if I hit Command V, which is paste on Mac, or Control V, which is paste on Windows, this is what happens. The formatting gets all wonky. It doesn't look pretty. We've got to go in there and we've got to change some things. They've got hyperlink text here, so it's different colors. We don't like that. So we're going to undo that, and instead of just pasting it with Command V, we are going to hold down the Shift key, hold down Command and press V, and voila, Magic Paste. So if you're on PC, that would be Control, Shift, and V. That is the Magic Paste, and it matches the format of your already created format on your document. So it makes it look nice and beautiful. So that is this week's tech tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get some use out of it. And remember, when you think training and support with regards to technology, you think Ronnie at Greenbush. Thank you.